Let's face it, dieting can be a real drag. Counting calories, restricting portion sizes, it can feel like a full-time job. Wouldn't it be amazing to eat delicious food without the worry of tipping the scales? Well, I'm here to tell you that it's absolutely possible. And no, it doesn't involve magic potions or fad diets. It's all about making smart choices and filling your plate with foods that love you back. We're about to explore 15 fantastic foods that you can enjoy freely without the guilt trip. These aren't just low in calories, they're packed with fiber, vitamins and minerals that keep you feeling full and satisfied. So buckle up and get ready for a delicious journey towards a healthier you. Get ready to ditch the restrictive diet mindset and embrace a world where you can enjoy food without the stress. It's time to rediscover the joy of eating and unlock the secret to sustainable weight management. Let's dive in. Popcorn. This movie night favorite is a whole grain that's surprisingly low in calories. A whole cup of air-popped popcorn clocks in at a mere 31 calories. Celery crunchy and refreshing. Celery is made up of mostly water, making it a fantastic low-calorie snack. Munch on a medium stalk for a mere 6 calories. Eggplant. This versatile veggie is delicious grilled, baked or roasted. Enjoy a serving of eggplant for about 24 calories. Oranges. Bursting with vitamin C, a medium orange will set you back only 43 calories. Grapefruits, another citrus superstar, a medium grapefruit has just 30 calories. Tangerines or mandarins. These bite-sized citrus fruits are perfect for a quick and healthy snack, with each one containing around 40 calories. Watermelon or melon. Stay hydrated and satisfied with a slice of watermelon or melon, each containing roughly 60 to 70 calories. Zucchini. This mild-flavored veggie is great for adding bulk to meals without adding many calories. A serving of zucchini contains about 42 calories. Cucumber, composed primarily of water, cucumbers are incredibly refreshing and low in calories. Beetroot. This vibrant root vegetable is packed with nutrients and contains an average of 40 calories. Eggs, a breakfast staple, one boiled egg provides a protein punch for around 80 calories. Pineapple. This tropical fruit is surprisingly low in calories, with a serving typically containing 30 calories. Apples, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and it won't hurt your waistline either, with each apple clocking in at around 50 calories. Salad. Load up on leafy greens and other non-starchy veggies for a meal that's big on volume but low on calories. A large serving of salad can have as little as 3 calories. Berries. Indulge in the sweetness of berries like strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and cranberries. Now, let's talk about fiber. It's like the unsung hero of weight management. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that your body can't digest. But here's the thing, even though it doesn't provide calories, it plays a crucial role in keeping you feeling full and satisfied. When you eat high-fiber foods, they absorb water in your digestive system, adding bulk to your meals. This bulk takes up space in your stomach, sending signals to your brain that you're full. As a result, you're less likely to overeat and more likely to stay within your calorie needs. Think of fiber as your secret weapon against those pesky cravings and hunger pangs. By incorporating plenty of high-fiber foods into your diet, you're setting yourself up for success on your weight management journey. Section 4. Debunking the 6 p.m. myth. Timing your meals for success. Let's debunk a common myth that's been circulating for far too long. Eating after 6 p.m. does not automatically make you gain weight. It's not about you eat, but rather you eat and how much of it you consume. The key is to listen to your body and give yourself enough time to digest your food before hitting the hay. Ideally, aim to finish your dinner 3 to 4 hours before bedtime. This allows your body ample time to digest your food properly, preventing indigestion and promoting restful sleep. So, go ahead and enjoy that delicious dinner. Just be mindful of the timing and choose nutritious options. Section 5. Embrace a healthier you. Remember, a healthy lifestyle isn't about deprivation. It's about making sustainable choices that nourish your body and bring you joy. These 15 foods are just a starting point. Explore different ways to incorporate them into your meals and snacks, and get creative in the kitchen. But most importantly, listen to your body and be kind to yourself. Every small step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a victory worth celebrating. Now, go ahead and whip up some delicious meals with these amazing foods, and don't forget to share your culinary creations and healthy living tips in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to live our healthiest and happiest lives. If you found these tips helpful, give this essay a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and wellness inspiration.